our hard-won independence. This year's celebrations have a renewed significance as they are the first under the new dispensation, the first in a new Zimbabwe. Today we remember all the heroes and heroines of our liberation struggle who paid the ultimate sacrifice so that we may enjoy our freedom and national self-determination today. We honor and salute them for the independence and freedom that they bequeathed us. May their memory live on through the achievements and aspirations of our great nation, and may their souls rest in eternal peace. Ladies and gentlemen, and fellow Zimbabweans, 5 months ago, the people of Zimbabwe took to the streets in a peaceful revolution. They called for freedom, progress, and a new way of doing things. Like the heroes and a new way of doing things, they called for a new Zimbabwe. We heard their voices, we shared their vision, we are committed to delivering it.